Welcome to an overview of the Foodie app for all your recipe needs. In this project, you will be a React Native developer tasked with building a recipe app, a user-friendly application that allows people to discover, add, and save their favorite recipes. Let's walk through the app's core features and functionality. When you open the app, you will land on the main feed. At the top of the feed, you'll notice a horizontal scroll bar showcasing different categories of dishes. Selecting any category makes it easy for you to filter recipes based on your preferences. The main feed is fully scrollable, allowing you to browse various recipes submitted by others. Each recipe card displays an image of the dish and its name, offering a visual preview of what's available. Clicking any recipe card will take you to that recipe's details page. Once you select a recipe, the recipe detail page opens, giving you everything you need to recreate the dish at home. On this page, you'll find a full-sized image of the dish to give you a clear idea of what you're making, a detailed list of ingredients you'll need, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the cooking process. Additionally, the page provides important details such as preparation time required to make the dish, the number of servings the recipe yields, calories per serving. The difficulty level of the recipe helps you gauge the effort needed. If you like the recipe, you can tap the favorite button on the top right to save it to your favorites. The button works as a toggle, allowing you to easily unfavorite the recipe by selecting it again. Clicking the back button on the top left will take you back to the main feed. Another category bar option is Favorites, where all your favorite recipes are stored for quick access. Whether you're looking to recreate a dish you loved or simply want to browse your saved recipes, the Favorites section allows you to revisit these dishes anytime. The My Food option on the category bar leads you to your personal recipe collection. This section is the My Recipes section, where you can submit and manage your recipes. In this section, you'll be able to upload an image of the dish to showcase your creation, add the recipe name, a detailed list of ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. Save the recipe, making it visible on your My Recipes page. Additionally, from this page, you can edit or delete recipes, giving you full control over your submissions. With that, we come to the end of this demo. We hope you enjoyed the demo and look forward to creating and exploring delicious recipes with our Foodie app. All the best!